So here is my bass instrument, just to show you, and I'm going to demonstrate this natural note length when we hit play here. And you can see there's a natural fall off there over time. So yeah, at the start there you heard a nice solid pluck to the string, just that standard pluck generator I've got going on there. The interesting thing about the bass is I wanted to give it some breadth, some meat to the sound. So this part here is the main sound of the wave that just takes the direct frequency in. What adds a bit more to it, a bit more body to each note, is these things here. I've got a sine wave and it's at twice the frequency of the main note, and I am modulating that using something at half the frequency, so they sort of adds a bit more sort of both side frequency wise, but also it gives it a lot of meat to each pluck of the instrument. This one here I've been messing around with so that I can add more meat, so to speak, to the big wobble of the string, if you will, or the vibration of the string. So I need to play around with these numbers a bit more, as I added more wobble to the lower ones before. So maybe I need to reduce this a bit on the higher end ones, say 50 or something. But we'll see, I'll play around with that. But that's a really interesting one. I've also got a low pass filter here for an EQ, which just cuts off some of those frequencies. Other than that, that's the main thing for the bass. Just this big sort of meaty sort of sound per note. Thanks.